Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to use SoFi for crypto and stock investments, an all-in-one platform that makes it easy for beginners to start building their portfolio. If you're ready to invest in stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive in. Sign up or log in to SoFi. Begin by signing up for a SoFi account if you're new, or log in if you already have one. The registration process is quick and includes linking your bank account for funding. Explore investment options. Once logged in, navigate to the Invest tab. SoFi allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies all from a single platform, making it convenient for diverse investments. Research before you invest. Use SoFi's tools to research assets. The platform offers detailed insights, including performance charts, news updates, and educational content to help you make informed decisions. Buy stocks and ETFs. To invest in stocks or ETFs, search for the asset you're interested in and click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. SoFi supports fractional shares, so you can start with as little as $5. Invest in cryptocurrencies. For crypto investments, switch to the Crypto section and browse the available options. Choose a cryptocurrency, enter the amount to invest, and confirm the transaction. Set up automated investments. Take advantage of SoFi's automated investing feature to create recurring investments in stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies. This helps you build wealth consistently over time. Track your portfolio. Use the intuitive dashboard to monitor your investments. View real-time performance updates, track gains or losses, and adjust your strategy as needed. Access SoFi member benefits. SoFi offers perks like financial planning sessions, educational resources, and cashback rewards, making it a great choice for beginner investors. With SoFi, managing both crypto and stock investments is seamless, helping you diversify and grow your portfolio with ease. Have you used SoFi for investing? Share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. See you in the next one.